Andy's already in the woods. Cam's here.
Yep, I'm on my new toy. Bought this like, I don't know, a month ago or so, and I've literally not stopped riding it. Although Matt films, you probably think I've only rode it once, but believe me, I have rode it a few times.
Andy's here, so let's have a lap. When you come to our compound with a new powered vehicle, is to send you around the lakes. We'll take this quick moment to say a big thanks to everyone involved with EBIT, whether it was organisationally or turning up to ride and taking part.
Yeah, absolutely.
Huge thanks. Yeah, EBIT went off way better than we could have hoped. So yeah, thanks to everyone who came along. Thanks to everyone who's part of the organisation. Maybe we'll see you next year. Undecided yet, but TBD. TBD. Let's have a drag race. 3, 2, 1, go! No, it's all just Cam. Be skinny, Matt. Oh, it's close. Oh, jeez, Rick. It was actually really close at the start there. With the headwind taken off, it seemed like Andy actually had a bit of a chance.
That's your rear brake. You don't have a back brake. That's your front brake, right? So you don't even want to touch that. I didn't tell him how to change gear. Everyone that I've let have a go on it so far,
just whiskey throttle,
has basically nearly broken it each time. Front brake slide.
It's through the long grass.
Finds the biggest hole possible.
The mean face on, right? A leg out and a mean face. Bag on. So we are sort of blowing off the cobwebs here. We've had one session back, there's a real short session back on the old bag. Top of the weeds in the old Zen garden. Big old boy, you can get out of here. Yes. Oh, here he comes. Crikey. That was cool. Nice. All right, so after that banger new learn for Andy there, I guess it's time to wind down.
Yeah, we are in preparations though for a ladder round 2. Taking on Matt again, we got all new tricks. It's gonna be Sandy.
He got dominated last time in controversial fashion.
As always.
But let's see how it goes.
Controversy in the ladder.
Yeah, the ladder's always controversial. Anyway, I guess all that's left to say is tally ho.
Hey!
Woo!